If you think medical alert systems are just designed to protect seniors inside their home, think again. Many seniors are active and want protection outside the home as well, especially if they have a condition, don't carry a cell phone, or have loved ones concerned about them. Today we'll be reviewing, demonstrating, and testing the MGMini seen here to your right with other portable medical alert systems from Medical Guardian designed to protect active seniors when they're out and about and give their worried relatives peace of mind. Spoiler alert, they also work to protect seniors when they're home too. Hi, I'm Jeff Hoyt, Editor-in-Chief of SeniorLiving.Org. In a previous video, I reviewed and demonstrated Medical Guardian's medical alert systems that work to protect seniors at home. Today we're going to expand our horizons, and I'm going to review the MGMini. So I just got my hands on Medical Guardian's MGMini. It's a medical alert device. It says it's the smallest and lightest mobile device. I guess they're not counting this, the MGMini Lite, that I also got recently, because I think this is smaller and lighter, but this goes on the wrist. This is one you'd wear around your neck. Let's take a look and see how small it is and see what else you get when you order the MGMini from Medical Guardian. So we got some paperwork. We have the unit itself, the MGMini. It is pretty small, but it is a little larger than this. And it comes with a charger and a belt clip. But I think it's better if you wear it around your neck than on your waist. And then to charge it up, yes, there's a plug and a cable. So I'm going to put these to work, charge it up, and test out the MGMini from Medical Guardian. So the MGMini here is aptly named. It stands less than 2 inches tall and a little over 1 inch wide. It's not that thick either. It's definitely bigger than a pendant that comes with a home device, but its small size makes it much more likely that a senior will wear it. It weighs less than 1.5 ounces, so don't let grandma complain that it's too heavy to wear around her neck. And if she says wearing it is a choking hazard, well, you show her it's designed to break away when it's caught on something. Magnets. So the Mini comes in 4 colors. But the important color is the one this button displays. If it's solid or blinking red, it needs charging. And a little light indicator here, well, that tells you that the charger is plugged in. And you simply put it in the cradle with the button facing out, and the MGMini lets you know it's charging. So that's audible confirmation that it's charging, and that's a solid feature. Speaking of solid, when it's fully charged, the button will be a solid green, and that can take about 4 hours. If it's flashing green, that means it's at least 20% charged. Now for more audible confirmation, on the side here, there's a little button. It's got an eye on it, though you probably can't see it, and that stands for information. You hold it for a second, and you should hear a report on signal strength and battery status.
Cellular signal good. Battery level good.
And if you press it twice, it enters test mode, so you can test out your system to give you confidence it'll protect you when you truly need it.
Entering test mode. Press the help button to connect to the test center. Initiating help. Press and hold the help button to cancel. You have reached your medical alert provider. To complete your test, please state your name.
Jeff.
Your test is now complete.
So that not only tested its abilities to make a call, but also tested its microphone and its speaker. And that test is very similar to what happens in a real emergency. You simply press the big help button here for 2 seconds, and the MGMini will connect you through a cellular signal with one of their accredited US-based call centers, which are open around the clock. There, trained professionals will contact first responders such as EMTs, police, or firefighters, whatever you need. Let's try it.
Initiating help. Press and hold the help button to cancel. Call connected. Hello, Jeff. Do you need help?
No, just testing the system. So I'm not sure if you could tell, but Medical Guardian has an AI-powered robo-operator that would have put me through to a human if I asked for it, but I don't want to type one of their operators and take them away from a real emergency. It does make it harder for me to figure out, though, how long it would take to speak with a human if this were an actual emergency. Now, if the operator can't hear you, they'll call your designated phone number to check up on your well-being. And if they don't reach you, well, they'll send emergency services to the location of the MGMini. And thanks to its built-in GPS, that system can pinpoint your location even if you can't communicate or don't know where you are. And if a user accidentally presses a button reaching their purse or pocket, no biggie. While it's beeping, you simply hold the button again for 5 seconds and it cancels the alarm, like this.
Initiating help. Press and hold the help button to cancel. Call canceled.
So that's convenient as well. So another cool feature, what if a senior without a cell phone gets tired while on a walk or is surprised by rain? It's not an emergency, but they'd like some assistance. If your bike tire's flat, you don't want an ambulance showing up. Well, Medical Guardian provides what they call a care circle, a list of care providers you give the company, such as family or neighbors. And when requested, instead of calling a first responder, the call center will provide your location of family or a friend who can give you a ride home. I like this feature a lot. Now, Grandma needs to learn to wear this wherever she goes and around the house, especially in the bathroom. At the end of the day, she can put it in the cradle on her nightstand, and it'll function like a home medical alert system while
Charging.
And if you miss a day of charging, well, Medical Guardian says the extended battery life will last 5+ days. And what's all this protection cost? The basic MGMini system costs a flat fee of $150, plus a monthly fee of $40 for the service. If you pay for a year up front, you'll get a month of service free, free shipping, and a free lockbox. So why would you want a lockbox like realtors use? Well, you put your front door key in the lockbox, you leave it outside, and the call center will share the lockbox code with emergency personnel so they can get to where you are to render aid without breaking down your front door. Now, some people worry if their loved one faints or is knocked unconscious, could be a fall, a car accident, well, then they can't press the button to summon help. Well, all the mobile Medical Guardian systems offer optional fall detection. These devices all contain an accelerometer that helps determine whether the user has fallen and then dials the call center automatically. Sadly, they're not 100% accurate, but they could mean the difference between life and death. Now, turning this feature on costs an additional $10 a month. Let's say Grandma's charging the device in the bedroom, but she goes to the bathroom or kitchen and realizes that she needs help. Well, to maintain protection, she can get an additional pendant for only $3 a month. It's lighter and less bulky. She can even wear it while sleeping if she wants. The portable device can call for help if it's within 500 feet of the MGMini, but there's no microphone or speaker in it. Another option is you can easily install wall buttons to high-risk areas around the house, like the bathroom, for only $3 a month. For a little more protection, you can install voice-activated wall-mounted buttons. It's summon help when the user says a trigger word. To be clear, they don't offer two-way communication like the MGMini does, and those run $5 a month. If there's an emergency, Medical Guardian will call each person in your care circle, which can contain 4 names, until they reach one. For an extra $3 a month, your entire care circle will be able to receive real-time text and email notifications about your loved one's emergencies. So is the MGMini right for you? Well, you have to feel comfortable with a company that'll answer the call, and I feel like you can trust Medical Guardian. The call centers have earned many certifications to ensure that customers are getting the care and attention that they need. However, the call centers utilized are not owned by the company, so they're not under Medical Guardian's direct control, and they may change. But all in all, we're very impressed with Medical Guardian's product and service. They even surprised me with a letter they mailed reminding me to test out my system. Now, for more products to help us age with ease, visit SeniorLiving.org, where you can find and compare housing options for seniors, including assisted living, in-home care, and everything in between. And please, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.